Alright, what's going on, guys? Today we have a custom offsets usual. We have a 6-inch BDS going on a black Silverado. I mean, what else do we do around here? Except this is a brand new BDS 6-inch kit that they just released this year on a brand new Chevy Silverado with the 3-liter baby Duramax in it. So this is something you guys have been asking for a lot. One of the guys here, Chris, over at our Function Power Sports, our off-road division, picked up one of these trucks. So we got this kit from BDS. We're gonna throw it on there and see what happens. This man has the air conditioning on. Got started on this thing a little bit late this afternoon, but we got the entire front end out and stuff going back in. So we're on a good track right now. Hopefully we can get this thing down and at least on stock wheels by the end of tomorrow. Get this thing to alignment early because we had a nasty snowstorm coming in up here, and it'd be really nice to get this done before that hits. So we're gonna crank some more out tomorrow and hopefully we get it done. John, we're filming! Try to not swear.
Oh, alright.
Alright guys, we got the entire lift kit in. Now, everyone asks what the difference is between, the 3-liter Duramax and the other 1500, your gas trucks. For this kit in particular, there are literally two differences. So, up front, under here, we have a shorter little skid plate because there's a lot more stuff going on here with the intercooler to have the full BDS skid plate. This right here is the difference between the diesel kit and the gas kit.
Really? What?
This skid plate. And then underneath, we have a trans-cooler line drop bracket, so that doesn't contact the front drive shaft. Those are the only differences, guys, in the Duramax to the 1500 gas trucks. This was a pretty easy kit. I will admit I did have to do a lot of reading. It's been a minute since I've worked on one of these. Oh, this one's gonna suck. But, everything went together pretty nice. We're actually gonna slap the stock wheels on, get this thing to alignment first thing in the morning. And then once it gets back, we've got some rock lights, grill lights if we get to those, and the new wheel and tire package. So we're not done yet, but the lift kit's done, and that's the important thing. This thing was at alignment most of the day today, but I have started on the rock lights. This rock light guy should send a template. Put a little extra time in tonight. Get these rock lights in. We'll be here tomorrow now instead of today. Supposedly nasty snowstorm coming in over the next 2 days. So put a thread locker on here normally, but yeah, it should rust solid in the next week. Yeah. We're gonna try and get this thing done. And over to Chris. Before that happens, we still got some work to do. Yeah, it's done.
Good?
Yeah. We got grill lights, we got rock lights, we got wheels, we got a lift kit.
Done did.
Quarter turning radius. Alright guys, so we got the truck done. It's the Friday before Christmas. Lamers thinks he's not getting it back until after the holidays, but who wouldn't want their truck for Christmas? So we are going to go drop this off at his house. His parents know, but he does not. So luckily we picked the coldest day of the year. It's negative 30 right now in Wisconsin. So we're gonna make this very short and sweet, but we're gonna go bring him his truck.
Isn't that cool?
It's a little bigger.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Morning, Chris.
Holy shit.
I figured you want your truck for Christmas.
Well, thank you. I was not expecting that. Hey. You know, I wasn't sure how I was going to feel about the gray,
They're not
but
terrible.
I don't hate them.
Yeah.
I really don't hate them.
Yeah, I was washing it last night when I told you that it was going to be forever. Like, it wasn't fun, but we got it done. It went pretty well.
If anybody's wondering how many 24x14 ARKON wheels you can fit in a two-door Bronco, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna get these mounted up as my winter setup. Take the Churchills off. The salt just eats away at the chrome. So not gonna do that for winter. Gonna run these instead. New finish. ARKON Caesar in gray. Let's go get them mounted. All right, he's got the gray Caesars there. Time to do some work taking these off, and then we'll do a little swap. All right, we can do a little walk around quick. Obviously, truck is completely black. I do have the matte black bumpers front and rear, and that matches the matte black fender flares, mirrors, door handles, all of that stuff. So I got like gloss black and flat black going on. And with that, I didn't really want to go black on black on black on black. That's just not my thing. It's too easy to do, in my opinion. These are kind of like the differentiator. So being gray, they're not black, so it's not all blacked out, but it's kind of that in between if you want to go with a color that gives a little bit of pop. But then you have your ARKON milling on the lip here. You have the gloss black K on the center cap, which the center cap has screws on the back. You can remove it, paint it any color you want. It's got the black going on, but then the wheels kind of offset all of the black by just adding a little bit of gray to it. I think these new Caesars from ARKON look absolutely fire. Let's cue the cinematic edit.
I got money busting out the money clip. Make a call and hit another lick, yeah. Turn a 10-piece to a 20 quick. I got money busting out the money clip. Make a call and hit another lick. Someone get the money counter, I can keep on thumbing it. Turn a 10-piece to a 20 quick. I got money busting out the money clip. Make a call and hit another lick. Someone get the money counter, I can keep on thumbing it. Okay, I'ma hit for 20 off a laptop. In a Zoom meeting, making money as my backdrop. Ballpoint base hit harder than a slap shot. Flew out my baby, told her ride me like I'm Epcot. Whoa, whoa, I've been doing road on the go, go. Get a bag and flip it, that's for sure. If it's show, that was never talk about nothing. Turn it down and go get you some money. Turn a 10-piece to a 20 quick. I got money busting out the money clip. Make a call and hit another lick. Someone get the money counter, I can keep on thumbing it. Turn a 10-piece to a 20 quick. I got money busting out the money clip. Make a call and hit
I would call today a success.
Eyes on the money, my brothers got my back. Turn a 10-piece to a 20 quick. I got money busting out the money clip. Make a call and hit another lick. Someone get the money counter, I can keep on thumbing it. Turn a 10-piece to a 20 quick.
I can't wait for the mid-2000s rock resurgence so I can have like a faux hawk again.
Dude, that's what my van does.